So that is so wonderful to me, the work that you do, Rob. And which just brings me to say, let's talk about your businesses. Let's talk about some of the businesses that you have and that you operate as a person.
Cool, man. Thank you. Yeah. So for me, as I mentioned, I started Whole Health Connections about 2 years ago, which actually originally started as a referral service. So all the acupuncturists, massage therapists, Reiki practitioners, nutritionists, basically every holistic practitioner I ever worked with, I was referring people to them because I just moved back from LA after working with a startup company that didn't quite start up. So that was, the first thing that came to mind. It's quickly evolved and grown to where I started then referring to products. So one of my buddies, Alex Dorr, he's the owner and founder of Mushroom Revival, which is a medicinal all organic mushroom company. And for those that aren't familiar with mushrooms, they're basically like herbs, just in the fungi kingdom. So just like herbs are in the plant kingdom, it's basically an untouched kingdom of very medicinal, we'll call them plants for lack of a better term, even though they're fungi, medicinal creatures, let's call them. So basically he has that, and I was referring people there. So I have a discount code that people can use, and then, I get a small commission off of that. And so then that kind of evolved where I started doing my Reiki training, which I didn't know if I wanted to be a Reiki practitioner, but it helped me, learn to read people's energies more and be more in tune with my own energy. And then I did my Thai massage level 1 and 2 training certification, which again, learning more about the body, how it's all connected. But then I really settled into the CHEK Institute and did my level 1 and 2 CHEK holistic lifestyle coach training, which really kind of brought everything together. And it was practices I've been, embodying for a while as I've studied under, indirectly online. I've studied under Elliot Hulse, Troy Casey, Certified Health Nut. I've read some of Paul Chek's work before. And so really it was after studying with the CHEK Institute that I kind of recognized, like, yeah, this is definitely a route I want to go. So I started doing some one-on-one coaching, ended up working with another organic superfoods company called Purium. So basically that's our network marketing model is the vehicle that we use to help people with their health and wealth. So that's a pretty cool vehicle I found to be extremely helpful for helping to grow that avenue of people's lives. And so basically right now I've actually transitioned out of the one-on-one coaching a bit once COVID hit. I had my last client that ended March 1st, and then COVID started like about a week later. And I kind of was just feeling like, I want to change something. And that change happened. And now I've really been focusing on the Purium, which is, as I said, been phenomenal. It's been a lot of fun to connect with a lot of like-minded people like yourself. And so it's been a great opportunity for me to, share that on a larger scale where now I can still do one-on-one coaching and all that with my team members, but I can also do group coaching. And so that's actually something I am looking to probably implement in 2021 is actually group coaching outside of Purium, just as a coaching opportunity for people. But right now, Purium within Whole Health Connections is kind of number one. I still do blog posts and videos under Whole Health Connections. And then Ice and Iron, I co-founded Ice and Iron with my buddy Jordan and Eddie. So that's been a lot of fun. We do a monthly meetup where we do, as you mentioned, we do working in, working out, breath work, ice bath, organic food. So we do that once a month in Quincy, Massachusetts. We actually have some plans to expand that in 2021 as well. So we're going to be announcing that in the coming months. And then my most recent venture is called Lovely Lessons. So that's a children's online learning platform. So I started that with my buddy Brett Melman, who's also a CHEK practitioner. And so basically we're about to publish our first children's book called Shelly Shines. In about 2 weeks is the target goal. So that should be out soon. And then Lovely Lessons is basically going to have online lessons as so many people are learning from home. They're not going back to school. And we want to be able to teach kids and allow parents to teach the kids more holistic principles in an online fashion from the comfort of their homes with the children's books, coloring book pages we have on there, video lessons, and that's all going to be coming within the next couple of weeks. So Whole Health Connections, Ice and Iron, Lovely Lessons, that's kind of, most of my life's energy goes there, which again, people, call me a workaholic or whatever they say, but it's doesn't feel like work. Of course, there's times it does, but for the most part, it doesn't, because I enjoy it. So yeah, so those three are kind of where I'm at right now.